This is the perfect time to test our sign up. And before we test it, I want to remind you that in Firebase, under database, this is empty. In the user authentication, we have a completely empty user authentication data in our user authentication field. Alright, so let's check it out. We go to our app, click on create new account, and then it's saying skills. What's the skill set of this person? You can say baking, running, and twerking. Then our email is John Doe. Oops, sorry. Let's do that again. We have baking, twerking, and fighting. Let's give it any email. We can just call it johncena@gmail.com. I don't know whether that email exists, so let's just give it a number, any random number. Then let's give it a password, any random password. Let's give it a first name John, last name Sena, city Oklahoma, states hey, these things are not real, Amsterdam. And then, is he looking for a job? Well, no or yes. Click sign up. So there's this loader, and we're successful, and we're redirected to the home page. Alright, so let's go back to our Firebase and check whether anything really happened. So here we're just going to click this to reload to see whether there's a new user here. As you can see, there's a new user at johncena@gmail, and the provider is the email and password provider. Then he signed up on 3rd October, and then this is the user ID. Hope it looks cool to you. Then let us check the database, because I told you that it's only the username and password that saves here. The rest of the user, we have to save it in the database. So let's check out the database. As you can see, users node has been created. If we click on this drop down here, you see that the user ID has been created. Just to remind you what happened in the user service, this is what we used to make reference to the users node. We just saved it in this variable. So here we are saying in the users node / the user ID. That is what just happened here. Users node / the user ID. We're dumping the rest of the details. As you can see, the whole details that came from the form, which is exactly what we did here with the account. Using the set function in Firebase, it just goes to this node or this path, and dumps whatever data you put inside the function. Alright, so that's just what we did here. Users, under this we dumped everything. Alright, so see you in the next video tutorial, where we will look at other things, and hope you understand how it works now. So which means if we try and log in, our login should now work, because it's worked. That's why we are here. So from the next tutorial, we'll try and cool down and see if we can redesign this app just a little, not too much, just a little. Okay, thank you, see you.